Hey, I told you this would happen. Mortgage rates decreased by almost a half a percentage point, which actually increased the amount of mortgage applications for buying and refinancing. Wait, let me get this straight. When mortgage rates decrease, the buyers come out to play. The average 30-year fixed conforming loan dropped to 6.6% from 6.9% last week. Even refinance applications rose by 2% that week. In fact, according to Black Knight, the drop in interest rates opened up 220,000 home buyers to be able to refinance if they wanted to. Mortgage applications to buy a home rose by 3% last week. We're starting to see home values level off. So if your heart is set on buying a home and your bank account allows you to go get the home, go test the market. So here's proof that when inflation eases, mortgage rates adjust. When rates decrease, applications increase. When applications increase, buyers get out on the streets and start looking for homes. When buyers start to look for homes, those buyers become your competition. When you're competing against multiple buyers on a property, you're in a multiple counter situation in most cases. Remember what happened when you were competing against buyers 8 months ago? If you found a home and you're in the market to buy a home, go get it now.